In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly enter a refund in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, what details to enter, and how to save it so your books stay accurate and easy to reconcile. This process records the money you return to a customer and reverses the original sale amounts, including any sales tax, in the right accounts. First, open QuickBooks Online and head to your main workspace. From there, look for the option to create a new transaction and choose Refund Receipt. Depending on your layout, you might see it on the Shortcuts panel or under the New button. The key is to open a refund receipt, not a credit memo, because a refund receipt actually moves money out of your bank account, while a credit memo simply creates a credit on the customer's account. Once the refund receipt form is open, take a moment to fill everything in carefully. Start with the customer field and select the exact customer you refunded. Use the same customer name as the original sale to keep their history consistent. Next, set the date to the day you issued the refund so it lines up with your bank statement. If you have a receipt number or a reference from your payment processor, enter it to make the transaction easy to identify later. Choose the payment method you use to refund the customer, such as credit card, bank transfer, or cash. Just as important, set refund from to the bank or credit card account the money actually came out of. Picking the correct account ensures the transaction will match smoothly during reconciliation. In the product service area, add the same items or income categories that were on the original sale. Enter the quantity, rate, and amount for what you're refunding. If the original sale included sales tax, make sure the tax settings reflect that so the refund reverses the tax accurately. If you're refunding only part of a sale, enter just the lines and amounts that apply. Use the memo field to note why the refund was issued, such as a return or a price adjustment, and attach any supporting documents if you have them. Before moving on, confirm the total matches the amount you return to the customer. When everything looks right, click Save or Save and Close. That's it. You've recorded the refund properly, and your income, tax, and bank balances will reflect what actually happened. If you follow these steps each time, your records will stay clear, consistent, and audit ready.